So this is like the absolute number one feature of Crew Console. And it's one of those things that's kind of specific to our industry, which is very tech adverse. I can come in here, I can create these event notes, do this and that. I can include all the employees that are going to go to this event. I can add these tasks. And when I notify people, it's going to send that as a text to those people as well as an email, even if they're not using the app. This is a huge feature where being able to, even though they're not using the app, I can still notify people and send a text, and they're going to get the text from Crew Console of where they're going and what they're doing. It has the job address. It has, again, whatever notes you put in here, the people you're going with, like